If I were truly involved in a fraudulent scheme of this nature, then the first place one would expect to see that pattern would be in my own district, in the projects most easily associated with me. You would have seen it in Tacloban, but I say this with absolute certainty. You won't see it in my district. My district has zero ghost and zero substandard flood control projects.
Just to put this into perspective, hindi kailangan sa distrito ng isang national figure mag-reflect ang irregularidad. Actually, kung ang kabalbalan po ay nasa distrito mo, that will be put under a microscope dahil mas likely na ma-scrutinize yun ng media, ng iyong mga political opponents. That said, I published a report back in September or October last year detailing how SunWest, the company founded by Zaldico, bagged 21 projects worth 6 billion pesos in Region 8, Eastern Visayas in recent years. Hulaan niyo po kung saang distrito sa Eastern Visayas. Lahat po ito sa isang distrito lang, sa distrito ni Congressman Martin Romualdez. Yung contract windfall po ng SunWest sa Leyte began when Romualdez was majority leader and became a congressman in 2019. As a reporter, actually po na-curious ako bakit hindi nabanggit itong findings na ito when the Independent Commission for Infrastructure referred Romualdez's situation, Romualdez's case, whatever you called it, sa ombudsman. And to add, there was also a Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism report that said Romualdez was among the top recipients of allocables, public works allocables. Critics say ito po ay pork sa past national budget proposals.